The 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, overhead console, tachometer, dual zone climate control, brake assist, panic alarm, console. Your new ride is just a phone call away.